Ever get distracted by too many icons on your status bar? Here's how you can hide all notification icon from the status bar on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, open Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, and then tap Notification. Tap Status Bar. Under Notification Style, select None. Now your status bar will stay clean, no notification dot or icon showing up at the top. This is perfect if you want to stay focused or if you are recording your screen and want to avoid showing any private notification. If you ever want to bring them back, just repeat the same step and then select dot or icons again. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.